every other Thursday is Dental Day here at Centura College. We have our great instructor, Miss Williams. This is actually one of our instructors as well. He's our program coordinator for our electrician program. Sometimes they volunteer to be our victims, aka our patients. Victims! We also have Valerie here. So what we just did for Mr. Scott is that we just took a full FMX. Now those FMXs will count toward her getting her CODA accreditation, which is her CDA, which is what she'll need to go into an entry-level position inside of the field, okay? So right now she's done with that. She's gonna go grab the doctor and he's gonna do what's called a comprehensive oral exam. Over here we have our sterilization, but coming in, we have our great instructor, Mrs. Coleman. She's gonna come in with one of our new promising students. His name's Jeremiah, and he is going to probably be doing what's called competencies. Competencies are where we test our students on what they have learned. His class that he's in is called our ICE course. It's our infection control. Infection control is very important. It goes over how to break down a room, clean a room, sterilize, make sure everything doesn't get cross-contaminated. We have semi-critical instruments, critical instruments. This is one of my students. Her name's her name's Madison, okay? We call her Maddie. I'm on the microphone. Say hey to the people. We're setting up, putting all of our barriers on, computers and all that good stuff like that. So who's your patient today?
My patient is my sister.
Your sister?
Yes.
Did you have to bribe her to come here?
No, not really.
Not really.
Dragged her out the house.
You dragged her out the house. I can believe that. So right now I'm just setting up the computer for her. Each instructor has their own passcode and password. So each student has to go with their password of their teacher. So I have to put everything in for her just to make sure that we're all on the same page about who's doing what. We teach them the why, then we teach them the how. They know why we're doing it, now they know how they're doing it. And that's the best way to really describe Centura College. Well, I actually graduated from here. So, and I'm back, hello, alumni. But no, I graduated from here, and when I was younger, I just remember having a really nice dental assistant. She really calmed me down and she talked to me, and I felt like she was my friend. But she just was so sweet and so simple and so nice to me, and it just always stuck with me, and I just wanted to do that. I came here and I found my niche. And not only that, then I've grown in this field, and now that I've done pretty much all that I wanted to do, I just wanted to come back because I still have the passion for it, and I just wanted to teach and just let everybody else get the same type of love and affection. What I love about Quita is, not to put your business out there, Quita goes through a lot, but she still comes to school. She still does what she needs to do. She's trying to make things better. She has a little kiddo, so she's here. It's not just for her. I know. Sometimes we have a lot of young moms, we have a lot of people fresh out of the military. I know my students on a personal level. So I know their stories individually, each one of them, why they're here, what they want to do, where they want to go. I just love to see people win. And everybody that has come through here, especially through these doors, if they want to win, they do win. And we just want to help them. All right, so if you want to learn about becoming a dental assistant or how to start into this career, put your toes in the water, come on down to CNOR, that's Centura in Norfolk, and we'll see you then, okay?